Welcome back to another makeup tutorial. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. Today we're going to be working with the Profusion Mirage palette, which is new to Walmart. This palette's about $13, and I say this in all my videos. You guys need all of the Profusion stuff. It's awesome. It's amazing for the price. Very good quality. And yes, this is the look I came up with today. A bright fuchsia halo eye. And as always, we always start with priming our eyelids with the Milani eyeshadow primer. And we are taking Mirage. The first shade we're going to be using in this palette is called Bridesmaid, and we're taking that on a crease brush. And how fitting for this beautiful shade, because that would look absolutely stunning for a wedding. So we're just going to be buffing that in our crease, a couple layers of that. I always do layers even though eyeshadows that I use a lot are really pigmented. It's just that it's easier to add a little than get it the shade where you want to versus trying to take away, because like I say, it's like salt and pepper, you know. Little at a time is best. So the next eyeshadow we're picking up is called Horizon. This is a bright purpley fuchsia shade. Well, it is a bright purple in the pan. It applies like a fuchsia on the lid, and this one is it's a little hard to work with. It's one of those mattes that is a little patchy. You have to build up, and then you're gonna lose shade when you're blending out. A lot of shades are like that, but this in particular shade is like that in this palette. Even though it's really beautiful though. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner, outer corner, and I'm dragging it into the crease line a bit, leaving the middle of the lid blank. We're going to take the Bridesmaid shade along that line of Horizon in the crease, and we're going to blend that out till it applies seamless and like they are one. And I'm using a flat shader brush to apply Horizon. Next up, we're picking up this beautiful duochrome shadow in the palette, and it's called Sunset. It's absolutely stunning in person, and when I saw this palette, I knew that that would probably be one of the first shades that I use because it's absolutely beautiful. If I had to do it over, I would use a secondary base with this eyeshadow to give it something extra to stick to. When applying this, it's more like for an overshadow or a topper really, because it is kind of sheer, so you have to build it up a lot. That's why I used it wet as well. I got the product on my brush and then I swept it onto the lid, not to tamper with the shadow in the pan. So for the brow bone, we're using Polite, and I'm just putting that on the brow bone. Then we're going to blend Bridesmaid with that. We're going to be bringing Horizon on our lower lash line, and we'll build that up. I'm also going to blend Horizon out, not on camera, with Bridesmaid on the lower lash line. And in the inner corner, we're also taking the shade Sunset. It's just such a pretty shade. Even with it sheer like that, it's so pretty. And I'm just giving you guys some tips. If you get this palette, you might want to apply it over a secondary base, and because it'll be more potent. Now the eyeliner I'm using is Jordana's 12-Hour Black Point Pencil, and I only did half of my waterline, and then I used the Horizon eyeshadow in the inner corner of the waterline. Now this is LaColors liquid eyeliner, which is amazing, by the way. If you don't own this, this is $1.50 at the Dollar General. Nice brush, nice formula, very matte, nice. So I did a thin line of that, and then we're using the Maybelline Lash Sensational Curvitude Mascara. I'm using a Cherry Cherie liquid lipstick nude, and the AoA Studio Diamond Lipgloss, and this is a duochrome purpley blue lip gloss topper. It's a mouthful. We're using the Believe Beauty setting spray, and this setting spray works so good, it smells so good. And yes, there is our finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, found the video helpful. I just want to do something bright and fun using some of these fun shades from the Mirage palette. Stay tuned for more looks using the Mirage palette. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links as well as product lists. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more makeup tutorials. Like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.